Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to extend RAM on the Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to have more RAM, we can use the memory extension by going to the settings, then scroll down and go to additional settings. And then over here, if you scroll down one more time, you will find memory extension. And if you go over here, you can choose how much you want to have more of the RAM. At the bottom, we can read the description that we can create additional RAM by occupying storage. Use this feature only when there's enough space in the storage available on your device. So we exchange storage space into the memory RAM. So choose how much you want. I think by default it is set to 4 GB. You can also turn this feature off completely. And once you select the desired amount, you will need to either reboot the device now or later. And once the device is rebooted, you will have additional memory. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.